Welcome back to Incredible Techniques. Today I'm going to show you how to make this birthday card. Now this is one that you can untie the bow and it folds out into 3 panels. So if you wanted, you could even leave this middle one blank and write a note in it. There's plenty of room to write on the back as well, or you could decorate the back. But this is all I'm going to do today, and I'll show you how to make this and how to do this ribbon and tie it back up. So let's get started. Today's card features the Picture Perfect birthday stamp set. I am going to be using the Happiest of Birthdays to You, and on the inside we're using this one. I'm also using this designer series paper. This is the Picture Perfect DSP that goes with the stamp set. It's just really fun, and I don't think the camera does it justice, but these are like photo quality images. They're really neat. And then I have a small strip here of coordinating paper, and of course my Whisper White. So first, let's get our stamping done. I'm going to use Lemon Lime Twist, and for the inside panel, I'm going to go ahead and adhere this strip just to make sure I get my stamping in the right position. I'm going to just lay this strip down. Okay, and then that just helps me position my stamp. So I'm going to ink it up in the Lemon Lime Twist. Okay, so that's the inside panel. And I'm also going to take a scrap piece of Whisper White and ink up this outside sentiment. And this one we're going to punch out with the Big Shot. So I'll just stamp that there and place that. I've got my magnetic plate on the bottom. Put my final clear plate on here and then run this through Big Shot. So now we have our sentiment for the outside of the card. Next, I'm going to grab my scoreboard here. And if you don't have a scoreboard, you can do this with your Stampin' Trimmer on the, you want to make sure you use your scoring blade if you're using your Stampin' Trimmer. But this is a scoreboard that we have, and I am going to score this one at 3 3/4, and again at 7 inches. So there we have that, and then we're done with our scoring. So next, I want to make sure I get this folded right. So this one goes, nope, I did that wrong. Okay, so actually this one goes up or down. So it's like a, and then this one goes this way. Okay, you see how I did that? So fold this one so that it's like a tent, and then fold this one down. Next, I'm going to adhere my designer series paper. This is the bigger panel, so it goes on here, and I will have all the dimensions, a link to where you can get all the dimensions anyway. I'm just gonna, and then I'm gonna center this on this first panel, and then I'm gonna attach my middle panel here. And then we're gonna adhere our last panel. And I'll adhere that one on here. Okay. So, see how quickly that came together? You have your little card. Now, I want to show you the finishing touches for this card. So you see, we're going to be running the ribbon through here, which is about in the middle here. So I have this small hole puncher, and I'm just eyeballing it, but I'm going to put it in the center, and you don't want it to be too close to the edge, but obviously not too far in either. But I'd say right about there, and just punch. And then I have already cut my ribbon, and I've got about 22 inches in length of ribbon. And what I'm going to do is run this through this way. So go ahead and pull. You want to wrap enough around this way because you're going to want to be able to tie it over here to keep it closed. I am not the greatest at tying bows. Like I said, you can keep playing with that till you get it where you want it. And then we're going to take our sentiment, and I have some dimensionals here. I'm just going to put the dimensionals right onto my ribbon. Just like that. And then I'm going to peel the backing off this where I want it right on top. And there you go. You've got your card. I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. Give me a thumbs up for the like and subscribe to my channel. I typically post videos at least twice a week, and hopefully soon I'll be going to 3 times a week. I would love to hear who you plan to make this card for. Until next time, you guys have an incredible day. Thanks for watching.